Once you've created your SSI profile, you will then want to be able to access all of your student materials in the app. Now, when you first come into the app, you get this opening screen, which has your details. Well, you can actually, if you click on it, it'll show you your dive center affiliation, and click back off that again. It goes back to show you in your own ID, and then in my case, the professional number and reward points, and also my professional status, which you should actually check with your pro to make sure that they're in active status when they're teaching you. It's also got a quick overview of my logbook and the latest courses that are available to me, and then news at the bottom. Okay. You can also go straight to your courses in the tab, local dive locations, so to show where we are, and your dive sites. Now that's showing Munich for some reason. That's because I haven't got the locator turned on. I really should. And then we have the More tab, which is where you can access everything really quickly. From your cards, where you can actually show all of your SSI certifications, so it's easy to find your cards, to your logbook, where you can see all the dives you've done, and you can even have a look at your jobs, your records. Now the records is very important because this is where you can actually fill in your paperwork. And as you can see, all of mine's there, but if I need to fill in anything, I click on it, and then I can either upload documents or complete forms online. Okay, so that's very useful. So you always want to make sure that all of your training records are complete. Let's go back into the main page and find out how to access our course material. So let's say we're doing the open water diver course. We've just signed up and want to learn to dive, so we click on courses, and there your dive center will have assigned you open water diver, so we just have to click on that. Now if you want to watch the version with the videos, you click on mobile. If you don't want the videos, perhaps you want to save, you don't feel like watching them, I recommend using the videos, but obviously they take up a bit of space, but you can click on no video and then go into the red button to get into the program. Now you can navigate around the open water diver program and all SSI programs by clicking on this sidebar menu in the top right hand corner, and it will show you all of the sections, and you can get to where you want to be. And you need to get these little green ticks once you've completed each section, otherwise you can't advance. And then once you get to that, you can then do onto the final exam, which you can see here is not done yet. Okay, and as you can also put in bookmarks, make notes, so if you want to come back to something. Okay, and then just to get back to the page you want to, you go there, and then this is where the video would be if you want to have your video version, and then you just scroll down each page, going through the information before getting to the end. Obviously you're reading this, not scrolling as fast as I am, and then clicking onto the next page. Okay, and it's just simply work your way through section by section until you get all of those green ticks. Okay, and then you can move on to the next section. Oh, I am doing well. There we go. And then you see he's got to complete review section 5. Okay, and then it auto saves once you want to get out. So just press on the X button, and then it'll ask if you're sure you want to close. Yes, please. And then your progress is stored here in the app. And it takes some time to upload to the SSI servers, so you might have to occasionally show your progress to your instructor. Now, let's go back, and any other information that you want to find in here, you see that's got a green tick on it for my dive verifications, meaning all of my dives are verified. You can also access your buddies. Always good to keep a diver network going, and look at your training centers as well. So as you can see, those are my 2 training centers. I'm an Ocean Tribe guy through and through. Okay. Also, if you're wanting to give information about, and say, share your profile with people, they can scan your QR code, which you find here. So you're either scanning them. Whoa, that's me. Or you have your own QR code by clicking on there, and that is scanned by people. Okay. Bye. Nice to see you. Okay. There are also access to other things like listing your gear, finding latest scuba news, and there's some cool videos to take a look at. Lots and lots in the SSI app to get away. And just for your own personal achievement, apart from your cards, you've got SSI awards, so you can actually be trying to work your way forward to more further awards. Okay. So that was the SSI app. There's a few more features that I haven't explained.